Welcome to this session to ease and let go of anxiety, stress, and worries. To begin, I will ask you to remove any distractions around you. Turn off any devices that may interrupt you and make yourself comfortable in a quiet space. Make sure that you are warm and the general temperature of the room is pleasant. For this session, you can lie down on your back or sit on a chair with your back against the backrest. Now that you are comfortable, close your eyes and check your mental state. Is your mind very active? Just be aware of it. If it is restless, let it be restless for now. If it is calm, that's okay too. Take a moment to simply acknowledge your present mental state. Now, pay attention to your body. How does it feel right now? Do you notice any particular tension or pain? Let's take a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale through your nose. If you feel any tension, use your exhalation to let go. If there's any worries, stress, or anxiety in your mind, use your exhalation too as an opportunity to let go. Breathe in and breathe out, relaxing and letting go. Let any anxiety dissolve as you breathe out. And again, breathe in with a clear and bright mind. And breathe out, feeling all your tensions, mental and physical, melting away. Just do this for a few moments. And as you start to settle down, bring to your mind the image of a mountain. It could be a mountain that you have seen, or any imaginary mountain. Picture it clearly in your mind, in all its majesty, strong and tall. Can you see its shape, its colors? Now imagine rain falling down over the mountain, the wind blowing, the sound of the rain and the wind. And notice how the mountain remains unmoved, balanced, and open. Being deeply grounded and strong, the mountain stays undisturbed, accepting and whole. See if you can bring up in yourself all these qualities. Imagine, how would it feel to be a mountain? Strong, grounded, whole, open, undisturbed, at peace. You can find all these qualities within yourself. You have all these qualities. And no matter what kind of storm comes your way, you can always tap into this mountain-like calm and harmony. Keep the image of the mountain in your mind and stay there feeling grounded, strong, and at ease for a few moments. When you feel ready, bring your awareness back to your body, feeling its weight. Now, bring your attention to the palms of your hands. Do you feel any sensations there? Maybe tingling, maybe some vibration. Just become aware of any sensation around your hands. And whenever you feel ready, let's take a few deep breaths and slowly move your fingers and your shoulders. Stretch your neck. Make any movements you need and open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today.